Because things were already going well, why did you then decide to sign up for the one-to-one mentorship? What encouraged you to do that?
It's just the best value. I saw how particular you are and also the kind of advice you give. That was really tailored and it was actionable.
You've also partnered with a friend of yours. You said to me that you're going to encourage him as well to join the community, to do the mentorship. Why is that?
Because I think it's just the best way to do it. He is new to e-commerce and I'm going to put him through the same process.
Because of how fast you've grown, you almost like outgrew the mentorship.
Because we grew so fast, that was just the reason why I then decided to go with your agency. Your agency just has way more knowledge and can do way more things than I can do. And I think I'm at a point with the business where it doesn't make sense for me to do it myself anymore.
What would you say to someone who's considering mentorship and working with me?
It's not easy to find a good coach that you also vibe with, but also that has knowledge and the way they presenting the knowledge. With you, I found a coach like that. Anybody that wants to grow their business, I think they should just work with you.
How are we doing, brother?
I'm doing fantastic. What about you?
I'm great. I'm great. Checking in from Colombia now. You've been a jet setter lately, from Dubai to Valencia to God knows where else.
Yeah, it was Marbella, Valencia, Dubai, LA, then Mexico, then Miami, and now Colombia. All of that in what, like 2 months, 3 months? Crazy. That's a funny thing because nothing of that was planned. I just ended up here somehow. Same with Miami. But yeah, I'm just going with the flow in life, you know?
Riding the Ecom wave, because it's probably fair to say none of that would have been possible had you not seen the success that you did just a few months ago, right?
Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, it would have been possible, but not that casually. I mean, you know, I've been in e-commerce for so many years. I had an agency. I always made good money. But of course, the heights we are at right now is just, crazy.
Yeah, for sure.
It makes it very, very different to travel.
Definitely. And I wouldn't just say the heights, but also the speed in which it was achieved. I mean, even to see it from my perspective, let alone how it must have felt for you as well. I mean, I know you've been in ecom for some years, had an agency as well, like you mentioned, but when you decided to dip your toes back into ecom, I don't know that you ever expected it would take off as quick as it did.
No, of course not. No, of course not. I didn't expect it. I hoped it, but I didn't expect it at all. And then at the same time, I think it wouldn't have been possible without you, because I think I started the 1st of October and I joined the program, like the group coaching program, I think 3 weeks in, like on the 20th of October. I think so.
I actually got a visual representation because it might jog some memories here.
Yeah, I looked at the numbers actually the other day. There's like 2 spikes. One where I first joined. Yeah. So
here we go. This is
right.
Yeah, that's when you joined the Google Ads Ecom Academy here. And then things were starting to go pretty good. I think you put a few posts in the group.
If you look at the 21st, like the spike after the 21st of October, that was when I joined the first group coaching call and I implemented the first feedback from you. Because the weeks before I was part of it, but I didn't join any calls. I think I watched a couple of modules, but when the 21st of October, like the first time it went up, that was the first time I implemented something from your feedback in the coaching call.
Yeah. And this was a brand new store, no prior Google Ads experience. And within 2 months, 140K in sales, which is
still
fantastic. Crazy. Absolutely fantastic. But it didn't stop there either. I mean, I think you hit your first very close, like 9.2K euros day, which was basically like a 10K US day. You can see it peak just here, just towards the end of November as we were heading into December. And I think as we were heading into that point as well, you weren't sure whether sales would slow down a little bit. But from memory, I think December went on to be an even better month than November, right?
I think what you're looking at is total sales. Because if you look at the gross sales, I hit, I think, 14 grand on Black Friday. So the gross, this is just like without the returns, but it's still, you know, sales were just still coming in. So I think it was 14 grand somewhere. It was at the beginning of, was it towards December? Oh, maybe that was in December. Maybe I'm mistaken.
I think I actually have it here. Hold up. Here we go. That's towards the end of November.
Yeah, it was Black Friday. Yeah, because 29th of November was Black Friday. Yes.
So the 28th wasn't on the previous screenshot. Sorry, that's my bad. I got too excited too early. I ended up sharing this on the 28th. So
yeah, I got you. Okay.
But this was obviously the Black Friday day. So like you say, yeah, you did 14K there. And then obviously came down a little bit as we were coming into December, but even still, by the end of December, you'd done close to 200k euros in sales. And the best part is the ROAS, right? I mean, you spent 33k to generate 177 from the 1st of October through to the 31st of December. So that's a 830% return on advertising spend. And that's reported in Google. I think your actual ROAS blended was probably higher than that.
Yeah, it was a little bit higher, but it doesn't really matter. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. So a question then, Sascha, if we take it back, like here's where you joined the community and already things were going pretty good for you. Like, you know, you'd hit a 5k day. So because things were already going well, why did you then decide to sign up for the one-to-one mentorship? What encouraged you to do that?
It's just the best value. I've been working with coaches for the past 6 years, I would say. And I just always, whenever there is anything I want to learn, I want to improve, I want to get better at, or I need support, I get a one-on-one coaching, because there's so many courses out there which you can buy or get in another way without buying somehow. But what I realized is all the materials, all the information doesn't really help you grow or get further. It helps you to start, but if you want to get further, you need someone to give you actual feedback on your situation, your things. And that's why I decided to go with you. At the beginning, I was like, well, let's just join and see what happens, the group coaching. Then we had the first call and I saw how particular you are and also the kind of advice you give, because it's not just like general. And I've seen many different coaches that just throw out ideas and, well, you could do this and you could do this. But that was really tailored and it was actionable, which made me then think, okay, that's something I like. And then I decided to go with you in the one-on-one coaching, which was a very good decision as well.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I really appreciate the feedback. I'm pleased that you did join the mentorship, because I often say you're pretty much like paid for itself within the first couple of weeks, basically.
It did. Like entire, yeah, it did.
So at the end of our period of working together, not maybe the end of it, because we did continue past that point, but I think by the end of January, so considering you started in October through to January, 4 months, in that time you'd achieved over €500,000 in sales, strictly from Google Ads at a super high ROAS. Obviously, we faced a few problems after that, which we're solving at the moment with regards to accounts and stuff like that. But you've also partnered with a friend of yours or helped him build a store. You're with him at the moment in Colombia, both in the trenches, but having some fun at the same time. And you said to me that you're going to encourage him as well to join the community, to do the mentorship, and you want to put him through that exact same process that you've been through. Why is that?
Because I think it's just the best way to do it. He is new to e-commerce, like in the first place. So I'm teaching everything from scratch. We started a store. What I'm doing right now is I'm mentoring him with the basics I know. Well, basics, I think I know more of the basics at this point, but
100%.
Whatever I know, I try to teach him right now, so he gets to a certain understanding of it. And then I'm going to put him through the same process. I'm going to make him sign up to the group coaching, to ask you questions on the group coaching. And then after a month or two, whenever he feels ready, he's going to come with you on a one-on-one coaching. I mean, if you still accept students, I'm sorry. I'm
not sure why you keep saying this, of course. More than happy to work with family.
I'm just joking. No, but I'm doing this because that is for me personally. And when I look at all the things that I've learned with coaches, it's always been the same kind of process. You learn something yourself, you go through a recorded kind of video course or whatever, then you have some group coaching, and then you have the one-on-one part, which really excels everything. And I want him to experience that as well, and what this does to him.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's why I'm going to do that.
Well, I look forward to it. I look forward to working with Fabi. And I would say it's the natural progression, isn't it? Like when you don't know someone, you don't always want to fully commit. It takes a little bit of time to, I guess, trust that person and actually understand a bit more of what they're about and whether or not you actually want to work with them as an individual, because it is quite a personal thing when you're working with someone on a one-to-one basis. So I think it's just a natural progression coming into the community, getting a feel for it, understanding the person that's taking lead inside of the community, and essentially who is your mentor already, just in a group setting. And then when you're ready, once you're actually generating some revenue, or maybe you've gained as much as you can from the content in there and the group coaching calls, and you want some more personalized advice, then mentorship is always an option. And to be fair, I think we even said this to you a couple of months ago. I was like, because of how fast you've grown, or your store revenue anyway, in particular, you almost like outgrew the mentorship. It got to the point where you had multiple campaigns in multiple locations. And would it be fair to say, like, we got off those coaching calls sometimes, I can just imagine you going, what do I need to do?
Yeah, every time. Because we grew so fast, we had so many things to discuss, and we only had like 1 hour calls. Then, we realized, hey, this is not like even though I'm making so much money, I'm still leaving so much money on the table because there's so many other things we can optimize, so many things we can do to make it better, but we couldn't. So that was just, I think, the reason why I then decided to go with your agency, and they are like in the process right now, taking over the account. Actually, I think they just told me today that they're going to set up all the new campaigns in the new account tomorrow, and we should be on full force by Friday or Monday running all the things. And that was a very good transition as well, because I learned a lot, and we still decided to keep like one campaign that you keep mentoring me, because I think to keep me to learn things, I'm very excited for that as well, to see how that, the growth that brings, because we have the growth together, and then your agency can just have way more knowledge and can do way more things than I can do. And I think I'm at a point with the business where it doesn't make sense for me to do it myself anymore.
But saying that, you have helped Fabi do the exact same, and that store's doing really well as well. And you've taken what you learned from the course and from the mentorship and applied it, and you're even teaching him all of the things you've learned. So, hats off to you. I think although it was condensed, you've definitely learned a lot. And there's not many people that are, managing stores that are doing 200K a month. So hopefully you don't feel that you weren't capable. It just came too quick. You just didn't have the learning path was like extremely accelerated. So I honestly think you did a fantastic job. You learned a ton. You always came with intelligent questions. So I'd say, you did a good job. It was just the right move to hand it off to the agency, I think, so you can focus on other things as well.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And yes, because there's so many things that I couldn't really pay attention to grow the business, because the advertising is just one part of it. There's so many other things that I have to pay attention to that I now will have the time to do. And it's the same with Fabi. The store is doing very well, actually. We had the very first 3.3K day a couple of days ago, which for him is also mind-blowing, because he's never seen that kind of money coming in. I'm very excited on seeing his goals as well. My goal is to grow to 8 figures this year, and his goal is going to be to go to 7 figures, which we're almost there. I think in maybe 3 to 4 weeks, we should be at 100 grand with that store as well. And then there's no limits. We have plans already to explode everything. Even if I'm sitting here, I want to get into it.
That store with Fabi is 2 to 3 months old now.
I think 2 months. Yeah. So we started a little earlier, but we had some issues that we had to fix. So it was paused for a couple of weeks. And I think now we started it again, maybe 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago, something like that. So basically that growth is only in like past couple of weeks. I think we did like 40 grand in the past 30 days.
That's wild. Amazing. Well, I'll just say best of luck. I think I'm going to be involved in the process anyway. I know we've been collaborating a little bit with what you're doing with Fabi and also with Shanora as well. It's not goodbye, that's for sure. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. But what I would say is I've enjoyed working with you so far, and obviously getting to know you as well when you fly out to Dubai and whatnot, and looking forward to seeing you again soon. I guess one final note is, what would you say to someone who's maybe considering mentorship and working with me? Final words of, how can I say it? Brown nosing me while I'm on the call.
I would say finding a coach is not easy. I keep saying that. I have so many coaches, and also let coaches go. It's not easy to find a good coach that you also vibe with. So on the ones that you vibe with, but also that has knowledge and the way they presenting the knowledge. It's not easy to find coaches like that. And I feel like with you, I found a coach like that, because you're very good in breaking things down. And that is a very important part, actually. You're also good in keeping the student focused, because I am a walking energy. I want to always do shit. And you're very good at, hey, calm down. Let's do like step by step. Let's do this first and then do this or whatever. You're very good at bringing people back to the basics or to the foundation without doing crazy things. And that is a very important aspect. Besides having knowledge, being there as a not mental coach, that's a little too much, but keeping me in lane. I think that's the best way. With that being said, I think anybody that wants to grow their business and want to do it quickly with somebody that can actually help, I think they should just work with you.
Amazing. I really, really appreciate the kind words, Sascha. Like I say, it's been as enjoyable for me, hopefully, as it has been for you. And
I actually did like it.
yeah, this is a paid testimonial.
Yeah, I just wanted to not give me your money.